Dear students, if you observe the diagram of heart, you are observing two types of blood vessels. The red colored ones are called as arteries and bluish colored blood vessels are called as veins. Means blood vessels are divided as two types, that are arteries and veins. We should know about their functions in detail. How many types of blood vessels are there? Two types. What are they?
Arteries, veins.
And veins. We have already discussed that heart is the pumping organ which pumps the blood. That blood is circulated to each and every part of our body through arteries and veins. Then there are differences between arteries and veins. Arteries always supply blood from heart to
body.
all body parts. Means supply
body parts to
blood from heart to body parts. Whereas veins, they will collect the blood from body parts and supplies to the heart. Veins collect blood from the body parts and supplies to the heart. This is the main differences between arteries and veins. Arteries always supply oxygenated blood from the heart to the body parts, whereas veins will collect the blood from the body parts and supplies to the heart. There are differences between arteries and veins. When we observe the arteries walls, arteries walls are thick, whereas veins walls are thin. Why? Because arteries should pump the blood. It should create some pressure. For that their walls are thick. Whereas veins will only collect the blood. It is no need of pressure. So their walls are thin. Thin wall. And the lumen is less, whereas veins lumen is large. Arteries walls are absent, walls are present. Arteries ends with capillaries. Veins starts with capillaries. And the main difference is oxygenated blood is supplied through arteries, deoxygenated blood is supplied through veins. Oxygenated blood is supplied, whereas veins deoxygenated blood. If you observe the blood vessels, we can easily identify the arteries and veins by these differences. Arteries walls are thick, their lumen is less, valves are absent and ends with capillaries. Due to oxygen rich, the blood will be in reddish color. Whereas in veins, the walls are thin, lumen is large and valves are present, starts with capillaries. Deoxygenated blood is carried. So the blood will be less oxygen, so they look lightly blue color.
Blue.
Do you observe doctors will keep saline to which veins or arteries? For veins. Why? Because veins are at the surface level, arteries will be inside of the body, we can't observe. When doctors administer saline or some injections, they will
Veins.
give to the vein.
Vein.
So they are called as intravenous injections. But so many people say that they are giving to nerve. No, nerve is not. Nerves are situated in the internally, we can't see outer portions. Only injections, salines, or if we collect blood for blood test, that injection syringe will be inserted into the
Vein.
veins,
Vein.
not arteries. Are you clear?
Yes.
Here